And lastly, tonight, a call was during the week made for the review of obsolete forest laws and the enforcement of stiffer penalties for violators as part of measures to address the growing menace of deforestation in Nigeria. A professor of forest inventory and ecology at the Federal University of Technology, Akure, Professor Victor Adekunle, made the call while delivering the station's 186th inaugural lecture in Akure. The report. With the theme, the Nigerian Unprotected Protected Areas, Forest Conservation and Assessment, the inaugural lecture divides forest conservation into 3 phases to include reservation phase, exploitation phase, and the development phase, stressing that at the beginning, the issue of forest conservation was not handled with levity. Professor Victor Adekunle emphasized that as beneficial as forest is to the overall development of the country, the protected areas are now unprotected due to a series of threats ranging from humans' inhumane actions and environmental factors, which, according to him, needs urgent attention for the sustainability of the forest.
The first recommendation is the management of forestry or forests should be on sustainable based manner. The reckless allocation of forests to concessionaires should stop. Now, every tree that is cut should be replaced. Now, special funds should be reallocated for forest development, either in the state or in the nation.
The Vice Chancellor of Futa, Professor Adenike Adeniji, and other guests noted that the lecture is a contribution to the frontier of knowledge towards forest conservation.
He emphasized the importance of conservation if the man needs to survive. If man will survive, then we need to conserve our forest resources.
It is better to preserve our forests, not to just deforest it and just leave it without doing anything to it.
The inaugural lecture is the 186th in the series in Akure. And that's News Diary tonight. We thank you for watching. Good evening.